All right, now we're going to begin actually programming using JavaScript. So we've learned HTML and CSS, so we can build simple web pages. And we started with that because JavaScript is it's often referred to as the language of the web, right? JavaScript helps us to make web pages alive. Okay, so that's the language we're going to use, the programming language. HTML wasn't a programming language, it's a markup language. CSS wasn't a programming language, it's like a style language, style rules. JavaScript is an actual programming language. And programming is all about writing algorithms in a programming language. So algorithms is just a fancy word for a solution, the step-by-step set of instructions to complete a task. That's what an algorithm is. You can think of it also as a recipe, right? In order to make my omelet, I need to do this, 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 and this. In order to, you can think of it as paper airplane instructions. In order to make a paper airplane, I need to fold this, do this, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to write algorithms, and that's going to be the solution to a problem. I want to make a quiz. When the user clicks this button, I need to get the answers that they entered in. I need to check those answers and give some sort of response, right? So there's a step-by-step set of instructions. Now, to implement the solution, to implement the algorithm, we're going to use a programming language, which basically allows us to communicate with the computer in order to give it instructions. Right? So JavaScript will allow us and JavaScript runs inside the web browser. We'll talk about that more in JavaScript how-to. But the idea is it's going to allow us to give instructions that will make the computer do stuff. Okay. A little fun example of algorithms and a simple programming language is something called Lightbot. You may have used it before. If not, I recommend you try it out. I'm just going to go to a new tab here and search for Lightbot. This one right here is great. I think in the past I've had some people, when they're using Chrome, have some issues with Lightbot. If that's the case, use a different browser, or you can even do it on your phone. There's even an app, I think. It's part of the Hour of Code. But anyway, Lightbot here, we start at the basics. It walks us through, basically it's teaching us the programming language right now. Our task is to light up all the blue tiles. Here's a programming language instruction. The walk command tells me to walk forward. The light command tells me to light up a tile. And I put my instructions together to make a program, a set of instructions. That's my algorithm. The programming language is these blocks. It's a block-based language, and the computer can execute that. Right, and now it's just going to teach me more about this language instead of the new commands to the language are turn left and turn right. So I'm going to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, light it up. This is my algorithm is to move forward, turn left, etc. And then the programming language is this block-based programming language that executes my algorithm in order to accomplish the task. Right, so we go back here, we're going to think of a solution, and then we're going to implement the solution. The algorithm is the solution, the programming language will implement that solution. Okay, feel free to play around with Lightbot for a while, it's pretty fun. Oh, and we're also going to learn a jump command, awesome. Right, so you can jump, right, jump, light it up. We're programming. Woohoo! Okay, I'll leave you to that. That's a little introduction to programming. In the next video, we'll look at how to program with JavaScript, not with Lightbot. Okay, that's all. Take care, have fun, and we'll see you in the next video.